Welcome to another TikTok affiliate marketing case study with High Affiliate Marketing. In this video right here, I'm gonna explain to you how Craig made over 50K in commissions since April, and we just begin in October. So that's been like 6 months or so, maybe less than 6 months. And I'm gonna show you how he did this with TikTok. Okay, TikTok. It's a very fast growing social network right now. There's a lot of interaction, there's a lot of videos going viral, so that's what we're doing. And he's doing it with this system. Okay, this is my number one recommended way to make money online. It's a 90% done for you online system that makes regular people $1,000 to $5,000 plus per day. Some people more, some people less, but this is crazy. I've never seen so many success stories like this program has. Is just insane. You can just click on the link below to watch the free video. They're gonna show you some tips and more in-depth training on how to make money with TikTok and all other social networks, and how to have this system done for you. And this training is gonna help you promote anything, even if you don't wanna use this system. You're gonna learn a lot to promote whatever you like online. Okay, so let's get to it. Basically, this is what we do. We're gonna focus on this video on driving traffic and making money with TikTok, but honestly, you should post everywhere. Like, I'm gonna show you how to find the right content, how to create the right content for TikTok, but then you should post that video everywhere you can. Also on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels as well, everywhere you can, and create as many accounts as you can if you can. You know what I mean? And that's how he does it. That's how we do it in this system. Okay, it's already, and the system is all done for us. We just drive traffic from TikTok and all these social networks to the system that's already all done for you. And the system already has all the products. There's multiple products that are high ticket. So every time somebody buys something, it's gonna be at least $1,000 to $1,200 for one sale. But then there's also other options where we get 3,000 commission, $5,000 commission, $6,000 commissions. There's different products right there for all kinds of people, and you get paid when they buy it. So, and the system keeps following up with them. The system already has the landing page, the funnel, everything done for us. The emails, they're all done for us as well. They create the email list for us. So every time people put their email address on this page, they go to our email list, but then the system and the team behind the system create all these emails and to put it on autoresponder, so it goes there automatically every single day. But then also when this is like special news, special promotions, or some updates, the team creates the emails and sends the email broadcast all at once to our list as well, to all our leads. So it's pretty powerful. And then there's also people talking to interested people, to leads one-on-one on Zoom, to answer their questions and to see if there's the right fit with one-on-one consultations and all that. All that system is done for us and for him. That's how we're able to make so many sales and drive so much traffic, because we don't have to worry about all that. We just worry about driving traffic. I'm gonna show you how we do this. So let's go to TikTok, right? This is how we get the ideas and how we model after it. So basically, we get ideas and see what's successful already on TikTok and other social networks. And for example, here on TikTok, we just look for content related to our niche, which is make money online, affiliate marketing, and all that, right? So if this is how we do it. We search for videos like related to make money online. So we search right here, make money online. But as you can see here, there's unlimited amounts of keywords that you can search for. There's unlimited amount of videos for each keyword. So there's unlimited amounts of videos that you can model after it and get inspired by and create yourself. That's why it's not hard to create 1, 2, 3, 5 videos a day, 10 videos a day. There's never ending content on TikTok. And let alone if you add Instagram and YouTube Shorts and all that, at least it's impossible for one person to saturate all these. So, for example, we find videos that are going viral, right? The rule of thumb is at least 100,000 views, but to be honest with you, there's so many videos that are getting millions of views. I would just suggest you to model after videos that are getting at least 1 million views or more, because There's so many videos here, 6 million views, 3.4 million views, 1.8 million, 1.5 million views. And we model after it. Maybe you're skeptical, okay? A lot of beginners, a lot of people that haven't done this yet, they say, no, I don't want to copy other people. I don't want to model after them. I want to do something unique. I want to come up with a new idea. And why? Who here is unique? You see this guy, 6.9 million views. How many times have you seen on TikTok, stupid easy, $900 in 3 hours? How many times? 2 million times? And still he's getting 6.9. Look at this girl, 8.8 million views on this reel. And what does it say? Side hustle I wish I knew sooner. I see videos with this title every minute or every 30 seconds I'm on TikTok. I see people saying the same thing. But this girl is getting 8.8 million views. So look at this guy. How I make $240,000 a year as a 17-year-old. Like, there's nothing unique about these people. The stupid easy, $1,500 per week, 3.8 million views. You get the point? How much I made in 1 week? This girl, she just made $7,539 in 1 week, but she's getting 2.2 million views. So don't reinvent the wheel. They're all doing the same thing, and they're getting millions of views. So you just keep doing this consistently. You just post as much as possible. Some people ask, how often should I post? How often should I post? That's the wrong question. Like, it's common sense. The more you can post, the better. Like, at least once a day, or even twice a day, 3 days, especially in the beginning. Maybe later on, when you're having a bunch of views, or like you see your page growing and getting views on a regular basis passively, then maybe slow it down. But in the beginning, like, why are you asking how often you should post? Like, it's common sense. As much as possible. If you can post 10 times a day, post 10 times a day. If you can post 5 times a day, post 5 times a day. It's no rocket science here, right? So that's it. You watch them really quick. They're short videos. This guy is not even talking right here, right? You don't even need to talk in the beginning. I recommend you to talk because this is high ticket affiliate marketing. People need to trust what they're buying. Okay, they need, if they wanna listen to you, they need to trust you. They're not gonna spend thousands of dollars if you don't even talk. It may happen. Okay, I'm not saying it's gonna be possible, but your chances increase when you talk to them. It's common sense, right? You see 2 people in a bar, for example. There's one person talking to you, and the other person just doing signs and not talking to nothing, not saying, just doing signs. Who will you trust better? The guy who talks or the guy who is not talking? It's just common sense, right? So I highly recommend you to talk as soon as possible. I know in the beginning can be scary, but do it as soon as possible. And that's it. Create as much content as possible. And then how do we do it? Was he able to make $50,000 in commissions? He needs to drive traffic to the system, right? Like I was showing you here, right? He needs to drive traffic. How do you do it? You add it on your account, on your profile, on the bio. All these people are doing that. Just right here, just a little introduction. You check a few profiles, like 3 accounts here and there, get some inspiration, tweak it on your own, put a little bit about yourself, what you do, helping you make money, something like that. And then the call to action, free video on the link, something like that. Watch the free video and put the link there. In the beginning, you're gonna need 1,000 followers to put your link there, but you can put your URL there. Maybe like if, for example, danielrecommended.com, instead of the link, you can just type danielrecommended.com or whatever domain you have, whatever website you have, you can just type it there. They're not gonna be able to click it, but at least they can type it. But if you get 1,000 followers fast, you're gonna be able to add the link there. For example, on Instagram, that's why I recommend doing multiple social networks. On Instagram, you can add it right away. On YouTube, you can add it right away. TikTok, you have to wait until you have 1,000 followers. That's the downside, but with TikTok, you can grow faster. So that's it. This is how we do it. And then on the link, this link links to this page. And that's when they want to watch the free video. They get into that system. They go and they get recommended this product. And then emails, they get emails on a regular basis. This follow-ups with them. And there's people talking one-on-one with consultations and all that. And that's how we're able to get so many sales. Not to mention that there's also Zoom calls and live trainings for people interested also where they can attend on a weekly basis or even on a daily basis. And that's it. End of the story. You just focus on driving traffic. Boom, boom, boom. And then you can also email them if you like. You have access to the email list and the emails and all that. So if you want, you can send extra emails with your personal touch if you like. It's recommended, it's not mandatory, but if you have extra time, you can do that as well. And that's it. To learn more about this, more details about making money with affiliate marketing and also TikTok, there's more details here on the link on the description right there. You can watch the free video. You will learn a lot to promote anything you like. And then also, of course, they're gonna explain to you how the 90% done for you online system works as well. So if you like this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel because I'm coming up with new content on a regular basis. I've already come out with 10 videos in like 2 days. I'm very active. I followed my own example. So do it. Subscribe about fair marketing, make money online, business motivation and all that. And I'll see you on the next video.